Hi, in front of me is Realme 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram app. Firstly, go into Play Store and type Repost Instagram. Then download this app from this developer. Open it. Go into your Instagram and select the photo that you want to download. Then click at the three dots at the top right corner of it, tap on Share To and select Repost App. Go back to it, click on one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Over here you can click on one of these icons to move the label or remove it by clicking on this square icon over here. Tap the middle button, and now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!